Hello, welcome to channel Mass of Excel. I am Daniel. Today I am discussing about data manipulation tips in Excel. It is a very common and big task for each and every users to handle large volume of data to manipulate in a proper manner. In this video, I am pleased to share you with some important tips to handle the data in an easier way to perform your task instantly. Here there are some tips. Methods of selecting data, data formatting, working with select visible cells, recognize hidden and unhidden data separately, format painter, sorting data methods. Let us refer one by one. First tip is methods of selecting data. To select entire data sets, we need to press Shift Control End. Let's select to try Shift Control End. The moment we jointly press Shift Control End, the entire data will be selected. On other way, we can also select entire data by selecting Shift Control, then arrow key right, then arrow key down. So entire data has been selected instantly without using the help of mouse selections. Now we can see that the data is entirely selected. If we want to forward the cursor to the next cell due to any reason without remove the selection, just simply press Tab key. You can see the tab moves forward. This way you can move forward. Similarly, if we want to move backward the cursor to previous cell, press Shift plus Tab key. Let's try. So it's going to go moving more forward, and pressing Shift Tab key, you can backward the movement of the cursor. This way. To move cursor downward direction, just simply press Enter. To move the cursor upward direction, then press Shift Enter. Suppose the cursor going down, then we need to backward the cursor, Shift Enter, without deselecting the data. This way the cursor go upwards to home cell. For S12, I have referred us by entering Enter key, you can simply move the cursor to downwards. You can see that the cursor is now placed at home cell at A1. Now you want to move the cursor at the end of data cell, then press Shift Enter. The moment I press Shift plus Enter key, the cursor will be moved to destination cell, that is from A1 cell to K2450 cell, which is the destination or end of the data set cell. Now you want to go back to the home cell, then simply press enter key. Now you can see that the cursor has been moved back to home cell at A1 cell. Like this way, you can move the cursor in a selection mode of data from right, left, down, bottom, from home to destination cell and destination to home cell very easily. Next tip is data formatting. Here I am giving you some reference of custom reference of data formatting, that in the quantity column I want to add the value with numbers. The quantity may be numbers or pieces, whatever may be. In that case, you want to suffix the numbers with the quantity number. To do the custom formatting, first select the desired column data, then format cell, then go to custom selection. Here you can find the 0. Select 0, then add some space, one single space, double inverted comma, write numbers. The moment you are closing the double quote, you can see the suffix value as numbers. 0 stands for the cell value, and after in a double quote we are entered the suffix value as numbers or pieces, whatever you want to add according to your choice. Then press OK. The moment I click OK, the value will automatically added with the help of custom formatting. You can see that it is the numbers, it is displayed as a visible only, not coming in the cell value. In this way, if we want to multiply the value from quantity to unit price, you can simply multiply the value. Unit price multiplied by quantity. It will not happen any error. Right. Likewise, we can also prefix the currency text as USD to cell value. So let's try. Custom formatting, then select 0, then prefix the currency text as USD space, double quotes, close, then click OK. We can see that the thousand separator, that is comma, has been removed from the cell value. To make the complete format of currency value, we need to add comma separator. To add the separator, you simply type one figure 1500.95 as number, then select as number. Then we have to copy the number format from custom formatting. cancel, then select the original data, then go back to the custom formatting, then you have to paste the custom formatting in place of 0. Okay, you can see that the 1000 separator in comma has been added with adding this number formatting. Click OK. Now your number formatting has been completed. Hope understand the discussed manipulation methods, and it will help to level up your skills and time saving as well. I am ending this video now and shall continue with the important topics of select visible cell. Till then, bye and take care.